Spread the word to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression for today is spread the word. This is an idiom that's been around literally and used for centuries. It appeared in the Bible Gospel according to Mark 16:15, I believe. Could be wrong, but my notes say it is, so I'm pretty sure it's right. As well as it has been used, or could have come out of the origin, just like so many of these idioms, it's a little fuzzy where they actually get credit for being originated. But since the printing press came way after the Bible, I suspect that the Bible would be a more accurate original reference of that than the printing press. But it also could have come from the fact that printing presses were invented, and they were used to print pamphlets. They were used to print, of course, early on, well, pamphlets before newspapers, but then newspapers and everything. And the printing press made it popular to distribute pamphlets and books for the first time, so that the word, the information, the ideas could be spread more readily and more easily. So spreading the word, of course, means to share the news, share information, usually by word of mouth originally, and it's still we share by word of mouth, but with social media and everything else, there's a lot of easy ways to share information these days. Actually, we are in the information age. I don't know, we might be heading into a different age, but I would say I have been in the oversaturated information age for well over a decade now, meaning there's way more information out there than I could ever personally assimilate and understand in the areas and the aspects and the topics that are important to me, the issues that I'm interested in, etc. And then there's the whole topic of how real or accurate or valuable is the information, because just because there's a lot of it doesn't mean it's good information. There's a whole lot of information out in the world that's just plain wrong, lies, made up, manipulated. I think of marketing. Sorry, but marketing gets a bad name in that marketers often twist things and present them in a way to get people to act and take action. We want people to do business with us, but like anything else, things can be used for good or evil. And so people can be manipulated into buying and doing business with businesses and people that they have no business doing business with, because what they offer really isn't right for them at the time. Maybe it is at a different time, but at the time that they actually get the products or services. So this idiom, this expression, can be used in a more broad term of encouraging people to scale up or to take action or to get involved in something. But for the most part, I think of it as, how do we get the word out? How do we spread the word about our business? Because in order for us to grow and supersize and scale, people need to know we exist, right? Nowadays, there's so many ways to do it. You know, the internet makes it very inexpensive and very easy. People use different strategies, different techniques to get the word out. Some people advertise, some people do SEO, some people do online content marketing, whatever works for them. Some people still do old school advertising on media, TV. Now it's streaming TV, whatever works for them. And you have to figure out what works for you and how do you want to spread the word about your organization. A long time ago, I decided word of mouth was going to be my favorite way to spread, and referrals. And I am to the point now in my age and businesses and career that word of mouth and referrals are the only way I do business. Most people aren't in that position. They have to be more proactive than that, because customers don't just come to them. But that was, to me, the holy grail and the point that I wanted to get to. So what is it for you? How do you spread the word about your business and the products and services and the people you serve and help? Share the comments below so that we can all learn from one another. That's it. That's all I've got today. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Otherwise, love to know your experience with spreading the word about supersizing and growing your business. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have an awesome day. Bye.